Break a bone, and your body quietly performs a miracle. It rebuilds itself, stronger than before. But what if I told you your skeleton is constantly being replaced, without you ever noticing? We usually think of bones as hard, lifeless support beams. But your skeleton is alive, buzzing with activity every second. It's not just holding you up, it's working overtime. Here's the wild part. Your entire skeleton is replaced about every 10 years. That means the bones you had as a kid are long gone. Your body swapped them out for new ones, piece by piece. When you break a bone, your body launches a secret repair crew. First, blood rushes in, forming a clot. Then, special cells called osteoblasts and osteoclasts get to work, rebuilding the damage. Think of it like a construction site. Osteoclasts clear away broken bits, while osteoblasts lay down fresh bone. It's a perfectly choreographed dance happening inside you right now. Most people imagine bones as solid, but they're actually full of tiny holes, like a honeycomb. This makes them strong but light, so you can run, jump, and move with ease. Here's a crazy comparison. Ounce for ounce, bone is stronger than steel. Can handle huge forces before breaking, and if it does, it knows exactly how to fix itself. But bones don't just heal, they adapt. If you're an athlete, your bones get denser and tougher. If you're inactive, they shrink. Your skeleton is always listening to your lifestyle. The real peak? Some kids with broken arms heal so fast. Doctors call it super healing. Their bones can knit together in just a few weeks, leaving barely a trace of the break. Here's the twist. Even when you're not injured, some scientists think this constant renewal is why we don't fall apart as we age. But others argue it's not perfect. Over time, tiny errors can add up, leading to weaker bones. Still, the fact that your body can rebuild an entire skeleton cell by cell is mind-blowing. No 3D printer or robot comes close to this level of self-repair. So what does this mean for you? Every time you move, jump, or even sit still, your bones are quietly working behind the scenes, keeping you strong and whole. Next time you see someone in a cast, remember, their body is performing a miracle. Healing a bone isn't just patchwork. It's a total rebuild, often stronger than before. But here's the question. If our bones are so good at healing, why can't we regrow a whole arm or leg? Scientists are still searching for that answer. Imagine if we could unlock that secret. Would broken bones become a thing of the past? Or would we push our bodies even further, knowing we could always bounce back? So, have you or someone you know ever broken a bone? How long did it take to heal? Some people say the experience changed how they see their own bodies forever. But here's what scientists still can't explain. Why do some bones heal faster than others, even in the same person? The body's secrets run deeper than we think. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit follow for more mind-blowing facts about your own body and the world around you.